A very good morning, students. In our previous lecture, we have discussed the type of disability like cognitive disability, intellectual disability, and physical disability and their causes. Now we are going to discuss about different type of disorders, their causes and nature. Disorders are ADHD, SPD, ASD, ODD, and OCD. Now, first disability, that is ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. What kind of, this is only mental related disorders, and most of the children are having one or the other problem regarding disability. So we have to take care right from the beginning. What is ADHD? That is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. How we can recognize that? It is a behavioral symptoms like hyperactivity, inattentiveness, and impulsiveness. Means child is not attentive in the class, and child is hyperactive, and impulsiveness means not able to concentrate properly, and they don't sit quietly. Second one is symptom, that is child have differences in the parts of their brain. Means ADHD affected children's mind is different than others, and that mind only controls the activity of the child, and they are not able to control this type of different mind they are having. They are hyperactive, they cannot control their impulses. What is the definition of yoga? Checking the impulses of mind is yoga, but they are not able to check their impulses. They can't sit quietly. You see, in last passing out batch, Kunal Chaudhary was there. He was actually suffering from ADHD. This was the main problem. He can't sit continuously one period in the class. At least during 40 minutes, he will disturb 5 times to the teacher, 5 times to the classmates, and even during the period he may ask the teacher to go out for toilet and water. Means 8 periods are there. During 8 period he will be 8 times out in the veranda, and other than that, during interval there will be 100% one or two complaint about him that sir Paya is doing like this. All those activities because his brain was working differently than others. This is attention deficit disorder. What is the symptoms for this? They forget about daily activity, they don't remember. Then indulge in daydreaming. आप उनको बोलोगे आप ऐसा मत करो वैसा मत करो, आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो, उनको समझाओ, then they will start daydreaming. Means within a 1 minute they will reach to the top of the world that I can do, and very next they will fall down that it is out of my control. Second symptom, do not like to perform those activities. Means individual is whatever activity is assigned, individual is not liking that I should do it, which is require still sitting. Which are those activities? Like assembly activities, where we go for still activity, no movement, om chanting, meditation. During that period they will not sit quietly, and during the whole classroom 40 minutes sitting and concentrating with the teacher, this kind of activity they will not do. Talk excessively, means without any purpose they will be talking in the class. Do not pay attention to make careless mistakes. Simple mistakes they will be committing which are not supposed to be. And problem in playing quietly. Quietly they will not play, they will be making unwanted noise during the play, or they will lead to the quarrelism while playing. And you notice all those things were there with the Kunal Chaudhary. They become restless. Always they find that I am tired, or they will not be rest, their mind will not be peace. Some other symptoms are there in adult people. means after 12th class you have crossed and still you are suffering from that. These adult people also have some time of ADHD, and what symptom they express? Number one, they will be suffering from anxiety attack they may have at any time, may be impulsive, very impulsive they are. Problem in controlling anger, they when they get annoyed it is difficult to control their anger. Low self esteem and self image is most important, and they have very low self esteem, हर जगह अपनी बेइज्जती करवाते रहेंगे. Easily frustrated, they feel frustration for silly things. While playing also they feel frustration. Some work is given, they are frustrated. What normal situation is prevailing around them, they are frustrated. All those remain unorganized. They are not having any organized system of doing the things in their routine life. They are always unorganized. When they are unorganized in sense, every student after going from school they go have some tiffin and all, they go for rest, then they will be timely getting up, timely doing the homework, timely they will be going self study and all. This is organized work, and they are unorganized. They once they are studying they will study, otherwise they don't study, they don't study. Problem in concentrating, main major role is concentrating, focusing, ध्यान लगाना. They are far from, they are not able to concentrate on one place. Every time they will be disturbing others. This lecture is related to the ADHD. Here this is the type of disorder and its symptoms. Now we will be, next lecture we will be looking after the causes of ADHD in next lecture. Have a healthy day. Thank you.